Hi everyone, welcome back. For today's mani, we're going to be playing with gel polishes from Sundara Nails to create a winter icy blue mani. We're also going to be using a really fun mirror chrome gel polish, but before we get into these beautiful colors, we're going to do a layer of gel base on all the nails, and I am curing as I go for a full 30 seconds, and I did the rest of the nails off camera. They were cured for a full 30 seconds. Okay, this color, doesn't it remind you of like a blue icy? That's what this reminds me of. It is called Winter Magic. The sparkle, it's everything. It is a platinum glitter, and it just glides on the nail effortlessly, and it's so fun and kind of almost hypnotizing to watch when you're applying it. It's really, really pretty and buildable. So look what it looks like with one coat. It's like that perfect icy pond blue, but we're going to build it up today. We're going to end up doing 2 coats of all the gel colors today, so you can really see these colors in action, and then you can get a really good idea on if a color is going to be something that you love. Plus, the Sundara Nails sale is happening for Black Friday, so these are some colors that I would definitely recommend adding to your collection, especially if you are a blue or like a cool tone lover. These are going to be your jam, especially this beautiful glitter right here. It's a diamond glitter. It is everything. It is called Jewel, and it is like the most beautiful reflective diamond glitter. And when the sun, or if you're in like a bright light, it is just overall amazing. Almost, again, I'm going to say it again, hypnotizing glitter, because it just has like the most beautiful, cram-packed full of like sparkle. It is everything. So we're going to go ahead and do 1 coat, cure for 30 seconds, and then go ahead and do another coat. All right, so let's get into these beautiful colors, and then I'm going to pop back in when it's time to play with that really fun mirror chrome. Now, the moment you've been waiting for is probably to see this mirror chrome in action. This is Slippery Eraser. It is everything. It is a pure silver chrome. And the technique or the trick that I found that works best when using this product, because it is a very chromed gel polish and you're naturally going to get lines in it. So make sure first step is that you have your gel base that's cured on it, and then go in with that first coat, and you want to do long, lightly feathered strokes. So if you are heavy-handed, just be extra conscientious that you are going in with a very light hand and just do long strokes. That's really going to help cut down those lines. Now, those lines that you're seeing here, those will go away after we go ahead and do that second coat. It's kind of hard to get rid of those lines with that first coat, but that second coat, that's when you really can get more precise and just really concentrate on how you're applying that, and just make sure, again, you're doing long, delicate strokes. That's what worked best for me. If you go heavy-handed, you're gonna create even more lines in this, but overall it is super pretty, very, very fun, and you just get like a really effortless chrome finish. And the name Slippery Eraser is also fantastic. And not only is this gorgeous on its own on a nail, giving you like the perfect winter chrome effect, I feel like this would also be really pretty with some nail art. But now we're going to go in with the last color of this mani, and it is called Shattered Ice. The name is very appropriate for this color because it legit looks like shattered ice. It has like these shard pieces of glitter that just lay so flat to the nail, and the coverage that you get with one coat, it is completely mind-blowing. And it gets even better after you cure it and go in with the second coat like we're doing right now. it gets even better in my opinion. This one right here, out of all the colors, I feel like this one is definitely my favorite. I mean, they kind of all are my favorite, but if I had to just pick one, that would be it because it's like the perfect icy blue. Here's the mani before we go ahead and do any more nail art to it, but we are gonna do a little bit of nail stamping. So I figured since it's an icy blue mani, it would only be appropriate if we added some snowflakes to this mani. Now, when it comes to snowflakes, you can totally free or hand draw using a dotting tool and a nail art brush, or you could use some stickers, you can use decals, but today we're gonna change it up and do some stamping. So I am using a stamping plate from Maniology. To me, this is like the one stamping plate that you need to add to your list for Christmas because it has all these winter vibes to it, and it's gonna give you the perfect snowflake options that's going to get you through that cooler weather. Plus, I feel like it's such a staple to have because you can do all different things in all different colors with the snowflakes. It's overall a really pretty plate in my opinion, and I am using a stamping polish as well from Maniology. So I placed that stamping polish on there and I scraped it with a little card here. I picked up an image. Then to clean up that image, I am taking this little lint roller here and I am removing any of that image that I do not want because I want to have a clean stamping surface, because when we press down onto this nail, anything that is on that stamper is going to transfer onto that nail. So how fun is this? I just love it so much. And I'm looking at it and I'm like, okay, I really like how the snowflakes are off to that like one side of that nail, but I wanted to add a few more down that side. And then to clean it up, I'm using this really awesome tool here that holds the cotton ball, and I have a little bit of acetone, and I am just cleaning up that stamping plate here, and I'm going to clean up that little scraper card. But that's as easy as it is to do stamping. When you are applying that that stamping polish on the plate, be very quick. Apply it, swipe, stamp right away because it does dry really quick. Also, you want to make sure that you are swiping on an angle and you're also rolling that stamper from an angle onto that plate so you can really pick up that image. So I'm just ever so carefully adding a little bit of snowflakes just on the side here, just to kind of tie everything together. And then when I was looking at these snowflakes, I was like, okay, these need a little pop of bling. So this is what it looks like beforehand, but we're gonna go ahead and add some bling to this. And at first I was only gonna do one of the nails with a little gem on there, but I figured, okay, we're gonna add more. So I did decide to add more because I really liked how it looked. This is a very tiny gemstone, and just like the colors, it has like a very like opal, almost like an Aurora-ness to it. So it just kind of gave it like a whimsical look in my opinion, and I just love it. It's a very dainty gem. I will link these in the description box below because they are very small, so it doesn't look too like overbearing or too like of a bold statement. It's more of like a subtle kind of sparkle, and I overall love it. So what I'm doing is I did a layer of gel base on the nail, which is not cured, and then I am just using the precision tool, and I'm using the opposite side of the precision tool from Sundara nails to place these gems on. And once I get those gems exactly where I want it, and I'm going to cure for a full 60 seconds. So what I'm doing right now is I'm going to finish the rest of the nails with that gel top coat and cure. And here's the finished mani. It is screaming winter, cool season. It's giving me all those icy vibes. Plus we kind of, I would say, bejeweled or bedazzled the snowflakes on here, which I really like doing. Overall, this was a very simple mani. The stamping was very easy to do, and everything just kind of tied together with the colors, and then the little pop of bling just kind of tied everything together. So I will go ahead and link everything that we use in today's mani in that description box below. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you all in the next one.